Alright, good evening. I am creating a video for you to help teach you how to balance chemical equations. I'm going to use my daughter's room. This is her cool room that I painted for her over the summertime, and one of the things that I did is I put chalkboard paint on her walls so that she can write on them if she wants to. And so I'm going to use them today and show you how to balance chemical equations. I'm going to use several methods. The first method I'm going to use, I'm just going to make up a name for it called the step method, and I will show you how this goes. And my daughter right here, Jenny, she's going to help us film. Aubrey is there for moral support, and Jake is going to try his best to ruin this film. So here's my daughter, Jenny.
This is my room, by the way.
Alright, watch out, Jake. Watch out, let me do this. Alright, so this is, I'm calling this the step method. I just made up that name. But we're going to start off taking steps, one by one. The first step is to start with your first letter. And our first letter in this case is H for hydrogen. So we have hydrogen on our product, on our reactant side. Watch out, buddy. We have two of them. You see the number 2, so we have 2 hydrogen. So we go to the other side, the product side, and notice that there's also 2 hydrogen right there. So those are balanced. You got 2 and 2. They're balanced. So then we go to the next letter after we go from the beginning. We already got the H. Jake, please step to the side. We're going to go next to the O, which is oxygen. So here we have oxygen. We've got 2 oxygen on the reactant side. So we go to the other side of the equation, and we've only got 1 oxygen. So those are not balanced. So we've got to get this one balanced with this one. So we've got 2 oxygen here, 1 oxygen here. What can we do? We need to multiply this one by 2 in order to give us 2.
Will, stop!
So we put the number 2 right there in front. This 2 is going to be used to multiply the H and also the O. It's going to multiply both of those letters. So now we have 2 oxygen on our product side and 2 oxygen on our reactant side. Now we could say we're done, right? We already checked the H's, we already checked the O's because we're done. But just to be safe, we're going to start over. This is step 2. Start back at the beginning. We look at our hydrogen. We have 2 hydrogen here. Now we go to the product side. Now we have 4 hydrogen. It's a good thing we didn't stop because 2 times 2 gives us 4 hydrogen. So now we've got to go back and look at these hydrogen on our reactant side. In order to change that 2 to get it to 4, we have to multiply it by 2. So we're going to multiply it by 2. So now we have 4 hydrogen because 2 times 2 gives us 4 hydrogen. We go back to this side, we have 2 times 2, which gives us 4 hydrogen. So 4 hydrogen on the product side, reactant side, 4 hydrogen on the product side. They are balanced. Now let's look at our oxygen. 2 oxygen on our reactant side, 2 oxygen because we multiply it, the 1 times the 2, 2 oxygen on our product side. So therefore hydrogen 4, oxygen 2, oxygen 2. This one is balanced. Good job.